Hey everybody, welcome to Zubu and Milu. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial of Go the Distance, which was the version that's recorded by Michael Bolton. So, yes, it's going to be awesome.
Yeah.
If you want to see the performance of that, the cover that we already did, then we'll link it above and you should be able to go ahead and check it out.
Yeah.
So we'll go ahead and get started with the tutorial.
The majority of the song, there's only 5 chords that we'll actually be using. And they're really easy chords, which are the F, the G, the C, the A minor, and the D minor. Yep. We're also going to put the chords right here in this area for you so that you can follow along as we're doing stuff. All right.
Yep. And if you guys want to do this in the original key that it was recorded in, then you're going to want to put a capo on the second fret here. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it without the capo, but...
And drop the voice a little lower. Yes.
La, 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 la.
Fabulous. Okay, so let's go ahead and break this down for you, right? So the first chord you're going to be playing on the first line of the first verse is going to be F, G, C, and then repeated F, G, C. So Melinda's going to go ahead and show you how that goes.
I have often dreamed of a far off place.
And as you notice, we're actually starting on single strums rather than a pattern because we want to have it kind of be nice and mellow at first and then build the excitement of the song. So the second part, the second line is going to be F, G, A minor, F, G.
Where a hero's welcome would be waiting for me.
And then the third line actually mimics the very first line, which is again F, G, C, F, G, C.
Where the crowds will cheer when they see my face.
And then the last line of the first verse is the same notes as the second line, which is F, G, A minor, F, and G. And halfway through that line, we're actually going to start picking up and doing a strumming pattern. After Melinda plays the line, we'll give you some extra instruction on the strumming pattern.
And a voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be.
So the strumming pattern, as you noticed, is going to be down, down, up, down, up. But because we're playing the A minor partway through the song already, we're going to start in the up beats of that pattern. Okay, so Melinda's going to play that line again, and then when she comes to that strumming pattern, I'll go ahead and say it as she's playing it so that you can see how that's incorporated.
And a voice keeps saying,
up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. And then, of course, when you go into the chorus, you're going to keep strumming that pattern on the G chord until you get to the C chord change. So the first and second lines of the chorus have the same notes repeated, which is going to be C, D minor, F, and G. So Melinda will go ahead and play through both of those lines.
I'll be there someday. I can go the distance. I will find my way if I can be strong.
Okay, so for the third line of the chorus, the notes are going to be C, G, F, A minor, and F. But the first 2 chords, they're really close together. So instead of playing the down, down, up, down, up, Melinda's just going to do 2 down strums for each of those chords. And then for the third chord, which is the F, she's going to start again on the down, down, up, down, up pattern.
I know every mile will be worth my while.
All right, so the last line in the chorus is going to be F, G, A minor, F, G, and then we're going to do C, G, and F, and we're going to play that twice.
When I go the distance, I'll be right where I
Okay, so for the second verse and chorus, the chords are actually the exact same as the first verse and chorus. And then instead of playing any single strums like we did in the first verse, we're just going to go ahead and continue the pattern of the down, down, up, down, up. So Melinda's going to play through both of these just continuously, and we'll make sure the chords are up there. So if you'd like to play along, you can go ahead and join her.
Woo! Totally. Down an unknown road to embrace my fate. Though that road may wander, it will lead me to you. And 1,000 years would be worth the wait. It might take a lifetime, but somehow I'll see it through.
Okay, so we've gotten to the little refrain section, and this is when our chords change. It's only 2 lines, and the chords in both of those lines are going to be E flat, G7, C minor, C sustained 2, and E7.
But to look beyond the glory is the hardest part, for a hero's strength is measured by his heart. Oh.
And then we're going to go ahead and go into a little interlude section where you can go ahead and do a vocal ad-lib. We'll show you what Melinda does. Feel free to follow her or make up your
Wing
own.
it.
Yeah, do your own
Have
thing,
fun with
yo.
it.
Okay, so it's going to be, you're going to play the F chord and the C chord twice, and then you're going to be playing the C, the G, and the F 4 times through. Take it away.
Take it away.
Okay, so then for the third chorus, most of it is the same, but the third line actually changes chords, and then the fourth line, instead of playing the C, G, and F through twice, we're going to play it through 4 times. So Melinda's going to go ahead and play the first 2 lines, and then we'll explain the changes in the third line.
Like a shooting star, I will go the distance, I will search the world, I will face its arms.
Okay, so for the third line, the chords are going to be C, D minor, E7, and an alternative A minor chord. And then again, the fourth line is the exact same as the other choruses, only playing the last 3 chords through 4 times rather than 2.
I don't care how far I can go the distance till I find my hero's welcome waiting in your arms.
Alright, so if you noticed, Melinda slowed down the last 2 set of chords in order to kind of help slow down the song for the ending. We're going to go ahead and play the C, the D minor, the F, and the D minor for the first line.
I will search the world, I will face its harms.
So for our last line, we're going to be playing the F, G, A minor, F, G, F, G, C. And those last 3 chords, you're actually going to slow down a lot to draw out the ending. Really bring that feeling in there, people.
Till I find my hero's welcome waiting in your arms.
So hopefully you guys got good information out of this tutorial.
Yeah.
Help you so that you can play it yourself. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Subscribe. You should subscribe to this channel because, guys, really, I mean, if you want to. And then we'll also put a link down in our description.
Yep.
For our Instagram page. Account.
Page works.
Page. It is page. I'm not gonna call it a channel today.
Nope.
Yep. So thank you guys for watching, and we will see you next time.
See ya.
All right. So that was good, but
Yeah. We'll cut out your irresistible urge to laugh.
yeah, apparently. Okay. All right, and we finally made it to the ending. So the ending is actually going to be the 2nd and 4th lines of the chorus.
It's because I made a face right as you were starting.
Okay.
And I was like, I could leave that in, but I probably shouldn't.
All right.